MetroLink trains and MetroBuses. Any individual caught eating or drinking is subject to receive a summons and removal from the train or bus. Thank you for choosing Metro. Attention, smoking on platforms, trains and buses is prohibited. Individuals not complying is subject to receive a summons and removal from Metro property. Thank you. Due to construction, we are operating on a single track, the eastbound track, at the Washington Park and Fairview Heights stations for the entire day. Blue Line trains are only operating from the Emerson Park station to the Shrewsbury station. Red Line trains may experience delays up to 5 minutes. We apologize for the inconvenience. Thank you for riding MetroLink.